Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a DIY play button because I recently hit 150 subscribers, so I thought why not honor it, because I wasn't able to do anything special for 100 subscribers, so that's why I'm doing this for 150 subscribers. I hope you watched the video to the end, and thanks so much for 150 subscribers.
Saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Begin to shake. I thought I knew you, barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth. You got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
Let's go.
Porcelain stuck to your teeth. You got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it. Again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain. Yes, you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I barely knew.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for 150 subscribers. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe, and I wish to see you in the next one. Bye bye.